Hello everybody, we're going to check out the Louie floor plan that we have here at Morgan Crossing. There are a couple modifications that the buyers made to this home. One of them being the side entry garage. Let's go in. Beautiful front porch with cedar posts. This floor plan is about 1,900 square feet. Just the bottom floor. But this one does have a bonus from upstairs, which brings it up to about 2,400 or 2,300, depending on how large it is. Okay, so here's our entrance. We have a closet to the right, coat closet, and then an office to the left when you first walk in. Walk-in closet. We're closing on this home tomorrow, so it's just about ready. Okay, so here's our main living space. Look how beautiful. This huge open space. Plenty of room for a sectional. There's a breakfast bar. Room for probably 4 stools here at the counter. We have a few upgraded features in this home, and that would be the fan above the stove, and then the cabinets that go to the ceiling. And then the back here, we have a little porch patio. And we'll go back inside. And then let's see the 2 bedrooms. So this is technically 4 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms and a study. So 1 bedroom. And with us, you get to design your closets. You get to choose how many boxes you want or hanging racks. We have some built-in cabinets. This home has 2.5 baths. This is one of them, with a pocket door. And then the 2nd bedroom. Okay. Let's go check out the laundry room and powder bath. Go through the kitchen. We actually have a pantry right here. Goes pretty far in there, which is really nice. Laundry room. And then behind me, we have a powder bath. I like the floors they chose. And then upstairs, we have a bonus room. Be a really good extra family space, kids room, craft room, whatever you make it. And then we'll go see the master bedroom. Tray ceiling. And then we have a door that goes out to the patio. And the master bath. Beautiful. couple shower heads, walk-in closet. And now we're back to the main area.